Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. Our very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, share, comment, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So, guys, to be honest, yesterday I do some work on my borehole or on my well, whichever the case. We ran a lot. I can't complain, and today the mason will be come at noon time, so to do plastering and then cemented to be smooth on my borehole. So I want to take you outside to see what's going on, and that's how my house looks like. You can see we have table here, and actually, guys, this elephant. In Africa here, especially in Kenya, you have game park, national park. You can find you want to find on the game park big 5 wild animals. That's including elephant, lion, cheetah, leopard, and also I think even giraffe. But probably, man, this is my brother's room. That's my room. So we share this house, and technically on down here we put tiles. We have mats, man. It's by God's grace. And for me, I want to say thank you so much for my good people who supporting me by watching my videos, supporting me in other way. I want to say thank you a million. So let me take you outside and see what's going on, man. Oh, let me close my house like that way. So soon, after a few minutes, you want to see the mason, and it's all about to rain, man. But that's a kind of blessing. Okay, let's go. Hey. Anyway, guys, welcome on today's vlog. Right now I'm outside. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Hey, that's my sister. What's your name?
My name is Martha Nyavoni.
Martha Nyavoni. Hey, new shoes. Wow, that's my sister. In case you don't know her, that's my sister. And for my premiere again, today I'm 50-50. You wanna get my premiere or my videos? Normal videos, because right now the weather is not good like to film the videos. But I'll try my best. So let me take you around. You see, yesterday we used the sand that we have here. So this is the remaining one. We have actually we had a lot of bricks here, but right now we're remaining with 15 of them. We use the rest. Wow, that's my bike right here. So it helped me to maneuver around on my village. There are some places where I can go with my bike in my village here. Actually, that bike, it helped me to maneuver all over the village. But when it's far away, I use the vehicle. So probably story from another day. Let me take you here, guys. And guys, maybe if I'm bothered you guys, sorry for this, to show you maybe everyday home. But east to west, home is the best. Right now, I'm doing things around my home, transforming my family fast. Like charity starts from home, But I'm not doing charity on the other side, I'm doing at home. So this is the borehole or the well, whichever the case. Yesterday, if you were watching my videos, you see how things go. They do outer, inner setting of the bricks, and then it reach at this level here, and then outer. So right now, no more chance of accident here, because my sister have some friends. We have my cousin here, small cousin. They're praying around here. But when it's secure enough like this, man, no pressure at all. Because right now, the only thing that remaining here is to plaster these bricks that you see here. And then also here to revelize, plaster on this top, and then put some cement to be smooth. Oh man, Wow. Right now I can stand here. Right here. You see? It's okay. Look. So when the mason will become here or arrived, guys, sorry, right now no more lights. So they will open here. You know, they will open here. Here. You see here? This place is so big, man. From this angle to this angle. So even when somebody want to wash it or to make things inside, they can enter on this door here. I'm telling you guys how things it is here. Look. So this space from this up to here. So yesterday they put this timber to block the concrete not going inside, but today they wanna open it. Wow, look. Mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. May God bless you for supporting me here, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. So the reason why we do like circular here, it's maybe when somebody fetching water. This is a borehole. They wanna left shoes here, down here, and step on top, and on this space here, they wanna put maybe like buckets, fetching water, like pouring on the container. Then when water goes down, they can able to run like going that way. So that's the reason why we put these things here. Wow. Oh my god. That's my borehole, and I will show you the final attaches on this borehole, how have been constructed, man. This is not an easy thing, and we spend a lot, man. We spend a lot. Remember, I paid my mason 35 USD to construct on this borehole here, like to finish up everything. It's 35 USD. I'm telling you guys, that's a borehole. What about my toilet? But man, me, I can't complain at all. It's because when it's happened, it's happened. So today I'm going to greet my grandma on the other side. I have when I'm around here, I greet her every time because of time. Let me see whether my mama, she have already arrived to say hello. Hey, this is our party gate. Bruno to the wall. You good? Ah, my dog is growing so big, man. Look. Hey, say hello. Say hello to my people. Oh guys, let me greet my mom. Mom, Pap, tachokambe hello. Hey, this is my mom's shoes. Well, yeah, we have the hand here. Wow, this is my sister's bicycle right here. That's how my mama's house looks like. And when I'm going to build my mom's dream house, I want to demolish this house, because that being said, we didn't have enough space or a huge piece of land. But this is the chef for my dad, and actually I want to build my mom's house here, 3-bedroom. Guys, let me know in your comment section. Me, I suggest to build my mom's 3-bedroom, but a bigger bedroom, you know. So right now, let's see how things go. Maybe I will start on June there. When material is enough, I will start. If maybe I could have enough blocks. So right now we have 700 blocks on the ground, so remaining 1,800 blocks to finish the budget of blocks, you know. And a road, you can take 700 blocks, you know. So that 700 blocks, I paid 500 USD, and when you convert into Kenyan shillings, it's more than that. It's 53,000 Kenyan shillings. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
How was everything? You good?
I'm good.
Yeah. Gusuka. Chiraini nyabonyi. Aigosu kichiraini.
Agigusu kichiraini.
Nyabonyi. Bwana mtiga kichiraini. Nowadays mama you smile. Yes, mama nowadays is. What are you missing? Nini kinakosa kwa nyumba? You have cooking oil, you have rice, nini ingine?
Sukari.
No sugar? Guys, may I ask my mama, what missing? Last time mama told me you have a little bit sugar, maybe cooking oil and rice, and then I bought rice. Mama, let's see maybe this week when I can maybe conclude to purchase even some kg of sugar. You know, without salt, sugar, cooking oil, matchbox, yani kwa nyumba hakukaliki. Kama hakuna kiberiti, sukari, mafuta ya mboga, kuna sabuni. Yeah, we have soap. Only thing which my mama like or missing of is sugar. And you can't cook chapati with no sugar. You can't maybe cook tea no sugar. You know. Hey, mama, let's see. This week, I'll buy for you sugar. Yeah. I think it didn't need to square miezi mingapi? Mitatu.
Toka mwezi sijui wa 9 mura.
Mwezi wa 9. So I bought for my mama 1 big shopping, like a bulk shopping, a huge shopping since the month of August, September, October, November, December. That's 5 months. December, January, February, and right now it's March. Hey mama, 8 months. Close to 1 year. Hey, that's crazy. Okay mama, I will buy. That's one. Okay mama, I will buy sugar for you. Yeah. This week, let's see mama how things go. Guys, I'm telling my mama, by God grace, this week when I get money, I'll buy for my mom's sugar because it's 50 kg, and the 50 kg goes to $50. That's 5,000 Kenyan shillings. We're not blagging things, guys. Me, the good thing about me, I'm sharing with you the price of everything, even the price of the shirts, bangle, and everything. Today I feel like I could walk with my dog, but the climate change, the climate condition doesn't allow me to walk. Let's go. It's kind of any time. Let's go outside. Yeah, guys, it's good when I talk with my mama, so a little bit. Wow. So I supposed to go and greet my grandma, but first let me go that way, guys. Me, I'm showing you how things it is around my village here. So right here guys, one day guys, keep me on prayers, guys, because my last project of making bricks, I don't want maybe to go there anymore because it brings conflict and chaos in my village. So we sit down, we talk, so they will turn money back. So guys, be with me. I'm on the process of buying blocks. So right now, guys, we are missing 1,800. Let's see, guys. You know, small until it's fill the gap. You know. So right here we have the blocks. I'm telling you, guys. And I had on the comment section, hello baby, find the polythene paper or something to cover on top. I'm telling you, even my engineer told me, don't worry about your blocks, it's just okay. So right now, when it's raining, my engineer told me it will be more concrete. This one here. Wow. Dauda. Actually. Nego.
Unakovamba wewe jase.
Ndio sana tunamba simama heng'ombe hala. Okay, that's my grandpa from other family right there. Okay. Yes. Okay, this I'm calling home. East to west, home is the best. Yeah. Yeah, I'm checking the cow. Say hello. This is my beautiful cow for my mom.
Yes.
Yeah. Doda. Ora neng, ora mani pao. Yeah. So guys, this is somebody from other side. Achig! Yesterday, to be honest, on other side, I'm telling you, I have my uncles, I have my relative uncles within here. So he came yesterday. He told me they want to remove iron sheets from other side and transfer. They want to build. So they told me we lucky labor money. So that's 3 USD. I told him go and remove. So right now I want to give him the money. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel guys. If you haven't subscribed, please guys, please subscribe. Wow. So today maybe for my premiere again, you wanna get these videos. When it's advisable, you'll miss it. Oh, I love to pass here. I love to pass on this. Let me go and show you that person. They're greeting. Actually, that's his dad. I'm telling you. Kadauroro, wewe uliendea wapi? Magasi gari haya.
Nilimaliza job. Sasa nikasema sitakufuata sana, uko na mafundi pale. Najua sio vizuri.
Nikukuruga.
Nikasema ukiendoke. Lazima tupike sasa.
Lazima
tupike haya.
Tayambika. Ndio maana ni yake. Wataya tayaka. Kadi na mwetu. Haya. Nikatikuruga. Okay. So guys, let me go and show you a little bit some work, and then maybe there's somebody sitting there outside watching my video. They will think that I'm blagging things. Yesterday they removed some iron sheets, but I was busy. So I paid him 300 Kenyan shillings. That's 3 USD. Even it's not 3 USD, it's around 2.5 USD. It's equivalent to 3 USD. Whew. Yeah, video na wow. People are planting maize here, guys. Look on this side. There's maize and beans right there. Even I'm waiting on this side here. When they harvest maize, I'll cut trees down and then start boom to start a mansion for my mom. It's a small mansion, man. Mogondo nyoroge. Oh. Ya beda beli sudah via via sad. Ya beda road. Imagine this is a borehole right here. Woo. This is banana. Hey. क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? हो ना अंदर छोड़ रहे Imagine, guys, the part from my family, from other family. So they remove iron sheet there and come to build here. Style. Yeah. Guys, there's no need to go on the other side. I think you can see right there that house. They remove iron sheet and then transfer to this side here. They want to build another house. Atganiyo. Pada uror. Kigutu da uru gadaki. Okay. Guys, let me show you. Let me show you guys. You think I'm blagging things or complicated issues? See that house right there? Yesterday they removed some iron sheet and then they want to build another house on the other side. They migrate from this side here. Actually, it's a brotherhood. That one there is another side, bigger brother, second brother, the third brother. So the third brother, they want to migrate from here, staying there. Look, man. Oh, let me pay him the money and we mind my business. Wow, I'm telling you guys, my family, it's somehow large at number. All that I'm working here, it's my family member. Look. So when I was talking on my last video, if you were watching my videos, past 3 months, the funeral been here. So I donate them some bags and steel bar to build a toilet, like concrete slab down and everything. Wow. Money P. So that's the kind of trimming flowers. I wanna have a nigga chadi. Road. Get your fish head. Well, guys, there's a kind of trimming. No machine. We use manpower to trim flowers. Right here. So he was staying here alone. Telling you guys, imagine all this house to one person. Incredible story, man. Well, guys, I was coming from my other side, so for my relative family. So let's see what's my mama she was doing. You know, sometime, you know, every day we have some activity every day. So that's the reason why we live in our village. I suspect whether my mason come, but muitani hage bab. Oh. Mama is cooking. That's ugali. Ugali and the bimelo. Why not daga, mama?
Nana bisi.
Skuma. Mama, you put it for me, mabere. Mabere. Guys, mabere means is our vernacular language. It means fermented milk.
Tukumburi umuchara tigore hano icho. Igefana ko kana ukegoroke ndagamba igatiga kirusi mano ni karikon. Kiranga kurwa mano. Dai mukega sora nda kimu kinda kora ambe igakirwa. Ora omo kanisa ni kurwa. Monto abekere mo. Kirambe ko to gore. Karo hina icho nare nkore ntogoche ha. Ko to gore ni chutore tore. Usingora ndangora ni sukuma nguna hanya ko kin karana ka. That's mama cook. Sembe bakagara anchuri feina baragara anchuri kura mono agayuru bukim ranch ande ne baragara anchuri agatura mono
Guys, I came from Nyabohanse, and up to now I didn't see the mason here. Right now I'm so disappointed because he took the money, and yesterday he promised me that he would be here, but I didn't see anyone since morning. So when I give people around my village a job, and then sometimes they didn't come to job, they didn't want to do this, so how am I going to do? Look guys, look. So we haven't yet finished to like pressing this borehole. We didn't finish up, and I wake up all in the morning, I curing this borehole and everything, because yesterday they told me at around 2 p.m. they will be here, but right now no one is here. And man, I'm so disappointed with my mason. Probably I'll look for another means to see whether I can. These things we haven't finished up. Look how it looks like, but yesterday we put concrete and everything, setting and everything. So today they're supposed to do plastering and also cemented to be look very smooth. But for now, no one is here. Oh my God, I'm so disappointed on this. Anyway, let's go to Borehole town and see whether I can get another mason. So look guys, if you remember on my borehole first day, I give the guy, like he came to ask me some job, give me job, even to dig a well or a borehole. I gave him, and he dig once, second time he ran away. The same mason, I give them a job, he do it well for the first time, which is tomorrow, and then today he didn't come because he was the one told me, okay, you know what, tomorrow we'll be here and doing everything like plastering and cemented. So when the cemented and I'm putting some smooth, let me show you. For example, they'll come the final result is a chicken right here, you know. So the final result when it's cemented, it looks like this place, you see right here. So that's how my borehole going to look on top. But probably no one is coming, no option on this. Guys, advise me, should I send them back again? Because me, I don't want to tolerate nonsense. When I give somebody a job, I mean they're supposed to finish in a good time, and also I give them cash because we send the contract. The month that I needed, I paid them. After the job ended, they told me, you know why, tomorrow will be here at 2 p.m. my local time. Right now it's almost 4 p.m. I didn't see anyone here. I didn't see anyone. Guys, help me on this to solve this solution. Should I send them back when they come anytime? Because I tell them, bro, we negotiate the price. Imagine 35 USD is not an easy money in Kenya. When you have 35 USD here, it can take you 1 week, like small shopping. Up to now, no one is coming, and I didn't expect anymore. Probably, let's go. Oh my God, I'm so disappointed. But let's go guys. So stay tuned, I wanna take you outside. So right now I was coming from Nyabohanse. Probably right now I'm heading to Borehole town to see whether I can get manually mason, because when they come anytime I tell them, okay, return me my money. But probably, guys, to be honest, let's give him some time. Let's give him enough time, you know. Wow. But me, I want to say thank you so much. And look at now, that's my sister right there. Me, I want to say thank you so much, guy. but keep supporting me here and there, and by supporting me, guys, you can move on. Please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe on this video. So right now I'm heading to Borehole, so stay tuned, guys. Oh guys, so right now I'm outside heading to Borehole. Let's see what I can at the same time to fuel my bike, because no gas here, you know. It's not advisable to drive my bike with no gas. Wow, this is the moment that I see the sun since morning. Oh, it's a calm day today, but in the morning was drizzling. You know? Wow. Let's go. Oh guys, you know, in the morning it was drizzling, and right now is the moment that I see the sun since morning. Actually guys, if you don't believe, you see the difference between the video of this time and in the morning. You know, it's totally different. But me, I'm Floyd Divide. I can't complain. Heading straight up to Borehole. Guys, today, like it's on Sunday, and sorry guys for my premiere again. Today you wanna miss my premiere, but tomorrow by God's grace you get the full length of the videos. Keep moving. Hey. Hello baby with the control. Keep moving. That's a car right there. You know guys, without a gas on the motorbike, the motorbike can't move, so we need to have the gas, and it can help me to maneuver around the village. Woo. Let's go. This is a local school right here, covered with mabati, by the name Ativa School. Let's move on. But we move on, man. We move on. It's by God's grace, man, to see an amazing day like this, and to see the villages, the beautiful view for my village. That's a church right there. Every day when I pass here, I must show you that church. Hello guys. Oh, this is another incredible story. Nothing to do with my mason, but let me give them a last chance, you know. Only today. When tomorrow they didn't appear on my work or report on my work, I could chase them far away. I could chase them far away. Wow. There's a dump site right there. Guys, me, I'm just calm and humble man, or a humble boy, you know. And I didn't take action immediately. I give people first chance and last chance. When they lose two of them, I chase them away, you know. So guys, I want to meet the tarmac road right now. Going straight, man. Imagine guys, all the way from my home, going to border town to fuel my bike. Okay. Wow. Where I am right now, it's Banya. Okay, that's my Roman Catholic Church. Opposite side. Whoa. Hey, Mazda baby. It's a Mazda baby. That's a block right there. Wow, you see that house, guys? One day, that house. Hey, something else. Guys, I'm taking on the other side. The view, super amazing, super clear. Wow. We can't complain at all. Drop the sweet comment, guys, on the other side. But I'm keep moving. Oh, I see the donkey. Right, there's a donkey. Kids are coming from school. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a shell right there. A new shell. Okay. Heading up to Toto petrol station. Today, I'm changing the station. I don't want to put on the shell. You see this old truck that are parking here? Transport goods and import goods. These are trucks right here. Okay. Let's go. Okay. This is a police station right here. Okay. Business everywhere, guys. Look. Everywhere it's a business. I'm heading straight, welding. Actually, yesterday I bought the door right there. Immediately the climate condition change. Hey. No, come on, the position. Oh. I'm coming at Toto right here. Put for me a gas here for $5. $500. Fuel. Gasolina.
I good for you water.
500. See guys. It's ready. This is a Toto right here, guys. Eh?
don't run a GSS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sio mwanza mkata demu lizungu. Sasa unaogopa nini?
Nitapata dem mzungu. Nitapata wapi?
Guys, actually it's 2 liter. I'm telling you. 2 liter. Woo! Guys, it's time to pay the money. Guys, right now I'm back home after fueling my bike. I want to end my video by saying thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. So guys, bye bye.